Big cheer for everybody. All hail the great explorer of Mars who has found a volcano, a big whacking volcano that's been sitting in plain sight since at least 1971 when Mariner 9 was imaging the planet.
Previously on TWiT, This Week in Space.
This is the place that we had proposed as a possible human landing site. By being at a volcanic site that might still be active today with ice that might still be preserved from the latest eruption, you have, in my view, a real good chance of finding life that might still be alive on Mars.
MacBreak Weekly.
MacBook Air came out. I have them here. I wrote a review of this on 6 Colors. They are what you'd expect. They're as fast as the M3 iMac. I put them on my desk with 2 displays and a lid-closed MacBook Air, and guess what? It drove 2 studio displays.
On Hands on Windows, we're going to take a look at what are the latest folding PCs and try to figure out if folding PCs are the future of the platform. And so you can put this on the stand like you would with the HP foldable PC, and it falls off. And this is the problem.
This Week in Google.
Dahl was surprised in 2022 when the cost of his car insurance skyrocketed by 21%. LexisNexis sent him a 258-page consumer disclosure report. And what it contained stunned him. It included the dates of 640 trips, the distance driven, and an accounting of any speeding, hard braking, or sharp accelerations.
This is about evil data brokers and evil insurance companies. The data is going to be out there. You can forbid it being collected. You can forbid it being used for insurance. That's what legislators are for.
TWiT. Leo says hi.